Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to publish a post in WordPress. Whether you are new to blogging or just starting with WordPress, this guide will help you create and publish posts quickly and efficiently. First, open WordPress on your PC and navigate to the menu on the left side. Click on Posts, then select Add a Post. Next, enter the title of your post at the top of the page. Then, click on the plus icon to see different content options like paragraph, image, gallery, and more. Choose paragraph to add text and type in your content. You can also customize the text by changing the font size or applying other formatting options. After that, if you want to include an image, click on the plus icon again and select Image. Then, click on Upload and choose an image from your PC. This will insert the image directly into your post. Next, to organize your content, scroll to the right sidebar and add a category by entering it into the New Category field and clicking Add a Category. You can also include tags by typing them into the Tags field and tapping Enter. Finally, when you have finished adding text, images, categories, and tags, click on Publish at the top right of the page to make your post live. Your WordPress post is now ready for your audience to see. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.